Bila shaka tumepata kusikia tu baadhi ya changamoto ambao wanapitia wale wazazi ambao watoto wao wanapelekwa nyumbani ima kwa njia moja au nyingine. Kuna kitu ambacho kinahitajika na labda wewe mwenyewe hauna ule uwezo. Sasa nizungumze tu na wale walimu ambao wako hapa, ambao pia ni walimu wakuu katika shule mbalimbali na vile vile kabisa washikadau katika sekta hii ya elimu ambao tuko nao hapa hii leo. Kwanza nikianza tu na wewe kama mwalimu mkuu, je, changamoto wanazozungumzia wale wazazi mmeweza mkuwa ni wenye kukumbana nazo ima kwa njia moja au nyingine? Unataka kitu kifike shuleni na labda mzazi hana ule uwezo.
Okay, challenges are there, but the thing is each and every school has got its own tradition, has got its own arrangement. Of course, practicals is a must, because for us to test on all the core competencies, there are practicals that must be done because children are expected to be hands-on. And given that from grade 4, the assessments are done nationally, and marks are normally recorded by NEC. So in the event that a child fails to carry out an exercise, then that child's name will go blank. What we normally do as a school, we call our parents and sensitize them on the importance of these assessments so that they own the assessments. And also we try to talk to our teachers to try to use improvisation, low-cost, no-cost materials. I don't think if it is really practical that a child may be told to take meat to a school. Because what is normally done, once parents have been sensitized on the importance of these exercises, then they are asked to donate something small as a group, instead of putting a whole burden to a particular parent to take a hen or a chicken or a kilo of meat. No. What I know is that CBC is challenging. For instance, in my school, all my classes, the enrollment, every class has got 100 and plus children. I told you I've got 5,546 children. And if you are a teacher and you are to conduct a practical to 100 children, and a particular group of parents feel that they don't want to be part of this practical, at the end of the day, when the cumulative or the summative assessment is being done by NEC, these children will miss out. And also, schools, we know the kind of parents we are dealing with. Some parents are really down to earth financially. We always employ or put on the human face and assist such kind of children once we know the level of their vulnerability. But what I know is that CBC is challenging and parents must be involved. Thank you.
And if you're talking about parents being involved, are the teachers also well trained for the kind of exercise that is ahead of them?
Most of our teachers, more so those handling CBC classes, in fact, almost all have undergone training. Is only that, you know, something like training must be something that is ongoing. You cannot be trained today and be expected to master all the competencies. So the trainings are on, and they are also learning on the job as they do the teaching.
Learning on the job. Does your school have